I have this projector, which looks awesome at night. Get to watch the game, movies, the whole spiel. And it looks cool. Even like right now during the day, it looks pretty cool. But I wanted to black out these patio doors. And I was looking at blackout curtains and blackout blinds. Whoa. I tripped on a cable there. And then it hit me. I was like, wait a minute. I have blinds. And the only time I really put them down is to block out some light coming in. And even then, I was putting like just blankets, these dark blankets like this one here that I got at IKEA, just kind of hanging it on there, and that worked. And so I remembered a couple of months ago, I bought some fabric dye spray at Michael's for like $5-6 to paint Tally's harness from a crazy pink to a nice red, and it worked out great. It actually, I was impressed by the way it worked out. I was thinking of doing like a RIT laundry dye thing, but then I saw the spray and I was like, oh, interesting. So then I went back and I asked if they had a black one, and sure enough, they do. So then I was thinking, well, this is like basically paper, really. So it should soak that up pretty well. I've masked off the sides so as not to get any on the door frame. There we go. Thank you. So let's give it a shot, and we'll see how this turns out. This will be interesting. Oh, by the way, I just took some old trash bags, paper trash bags, cut them open, and cut off the little handle things, which inadvertently gave the kids toy to play with. Who's that? Chaos over there? Chaos is chasing it around right now. Listen to her. Oh no, that's Abyss. You having fun? You guys having fun with those little handle things? Okay. All right. Let's do this. Go. Where's my brother Ruben when you need him? That guy knows how to tag walls. Ah, really? That's it? All right. Well, I'm out of paint. So one 3-ounce can for $5-6 will cover half. This is maybe a little over half. Note to self: mask off the top of the blind, because that stays exposed when you open the blind. That way I can get the whole thing pretty well. But basically, I'm trying to block off the window which shows through. Yeah. Maybe I'll just mask up the back of the window and then have the blinds go up and down. No, so that actually looks good. Let me bring the camera over. Okay. I know the light glares in the way, but there's a couple of spots. Actually, in the video, you can see where the light is shining through, because in person, I don't see like these spots, these light spots. So that's cool. Now I know where I need to go over a little more. But otherwise, I'm pretty satisfied. So yeah, get 1, 2, 3, 4 more cans. So that's 5 cans total at $5-6 each. $30. $30 is still cheaper than getting a whole set of blinds, because they're not cheap. They're like 100 something for blackout blinds. Now I just have to remove the masking and see how much light is actually being blocked. But I'm not going to do that yet. Obviously, I'm going to finish off both of these. Maybe I'll just do one, because as long as I have this side blocked off, then it Nah, screw it. I'll do both. Cool. All right. Well, got to go to Michael's, pick up some more cams.